the set-it-and-forget-it vacuum that outsmarts dirt. Even in the sneakiest corners. Imagine a world where you never have to vacuum again. Sounds like a dream, right? The Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum makes it reality. With its game-changing self-emptying station, this bad boy sucks up dirt and dumps it all by itself for 60 days straight. No dustbin emptying, no mess, no drama. Its 2.85-inch ultra-slim body slides under sofas, beds, and tables, grabbing the crumbs, pet hair, and mystery fuzz you never even knew existed. Tired of bots that leave corners dusty? The Unique CornerRover Arm gets into those tricky edges and leaves zero debris behind. Packing a 4,000 Pascal suction punch, the C10 doesn't just pick up dirt, it dominates it. Say goodbye to pet hair, fine dust, and chunky crumbs in one powerful sweep. Unlike those clumsy bots that bump into walls like confused toddlers, the C10 comes equipped with LiDAR and multi-infrared navigation, mapping your home with military precision and dodging obstacles automatically. It cleans where you want, when you want, without babysitting. Plus, it's whisper quiet at just 51 decibels, meaning you can binge-watch your shows without a vacuum soundtrack in the background. Who has time to vacuum daily? Not you. The C10 saves hours of manual labor every week, freeing you up for more important things, like not vacuuming. Thanks to its 3 liters bagged self-emptying station, you'll only need to swap out the dust bag every 2 months, so you're spending less time cleaning and more time enjoying a spotless home. Plus, with its Detangle comb, you won't have to dig tangled hair out of the brush, because, let's be honest, no one enjoys that. It's like hiring a professional cleaner, minus the awkward small talk. Unlike overpriced robot vacuums that burn out after a year, the Eufy C10 is built to last. Users report it keeps going strong for up to 4 years, maintaining its suction power and efficiency without expensive repairs. And speaking of cost? This little cleaning powerhouse packs premium features without the premium price tag. No overhyped branding, just solid, reliable cleaning power that won't leave your wallet gasping for air. Replacement parts? Affordable. Maintenance? Minimal. Performance? Top tier. The Eufy C10 isn't just a vacuum, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or short wool carpets, it adapts, cleans thoroughly, and keeps your space effortlessly spotless. Its app and voice control mean you can start a cleaning session with just a tap or a shout, because lifting a finger is so last year. No more dust bunnies. No more pet hair tumbleweeds. Just flawless, hands-free cleaning, 24/7. Ready to never vacuum again? The C10 is.